I don't know if you should go this way.
Yeah, it'll be alright. Ooh. It's quite deep.
It looks like these cars have been abandoned because they've stopped going through here.
Yeah. I didn't take the memory